Hey, hey! Hello and welcome to Swedish Fika. My name is Daniel and today we're making Stockholmskakor or Stockholm cookies, which is a shortbread cookie lined with hailstone sugar and with a heart of blackcurrant. Okej, då kör vi. For the Stockholmskaka, we're gonna need wheat flour, butter, sugar, vanilla sugar, and an egg yolk for the dough. And for the coating, we're gonna use egg white and hailstone sugar. And then for the center, it's gonna be blackcurrant jelly. Let's start by mixing all the ingredients for the dough. Now let's work the dough into rolls that are 2.5 centimeters in diameter, which is an inch. And the reason behind it, surprise, surprise, is that we're going to make the cookies in the size of småkakor, which is something you will hear me say really often. As any Swede, I really enjoy småkakor. The good thing is that you can either have them as part of 7 kinds of cookies if you'd like to go down that route, or you can just have them standalone. And of course, if you're hungry, you can have more of them when they are smaller. And the second reason is, in my opinion, that you'll be having much better balance between the different components, and it feels so much more sophisticated in the shape of a småkaka. Now it's time to coat the rolls with egg white and the hailstone sugar. It's a little bit messy, but you just have to get in there and do it. And it always makes me feel like being a kid again. If the hailstone sugar doesn't stick the first time you pour it over the dough, just tap it gently with your finger and it will stick there. It's time to put the rolls into the fridge now, around 15 to 20 minutes to cool down a little bit. That helps a lot in the next phase when it's time to cut the cookies. And at the same time, I will preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next up, we'll cut the cookies and put them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. And once we've done that, we will make a small indentation in the middle of the cookie and put the blackcurrant jelly there. Whenever I have homemade blackcurrant jelly, I prefer to use it. But like for instance today, I'm using bought one and that will end up great as well. So don't let perfect be the enemy of the cookie. Just use whatever you have and it will be great. Alright, everything's set. So it's time to bake the cookies in the middle of the oven, around 12 to 15 minutes. Oh, there we go. Finally ready. The good thing about Stockholmskakor is that you can prepare them on forehand, put them in the freezer and then have them later if you want to. Or you can have them fresh out of the oven, which I most certainly will have at least 1 or 2 of. They are super simple to make as well, so please try them out. That's it for today. Thank you so much for joining and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Hejdå! Åh, men sluta så gott. Ja.